Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this White Lily chocolate fudge brownies. So if you guys have lost your box or you just like a visual guide, we're here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You are of course going to need your brownie mix. You're going to need either an 8 by 8 inch pan or a 9 by 9 inch pan. Today I'm using a 9 by 9. A bowl to mix everything up in, some cooking spray or butter to grease your pan. I've also lined my pan with foil to make it easier to take them out at the end. 1/3 of a cup oil plus 1/4 cup water. I have mine combined in the measuring cup. 1 egg, a whisk, a spatula, and some toothpicks to check and see if it's done in the end. The first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to go ahead and prepare our pan, spray or grease the bottom of our pan with our spray or butter. Next, we need to add to our bowl our water, oil, and egg and beat them together until they're well combined. After I get that well mixed, I like to switch to a spatula for the rest of it. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our brownie mix into our wet ingredients. Their recommendation is to stir that until it's well blended, about 50 strokes. I never really count the strokes, but you just wanna make sure that you're scraping down the sides and bottom of your bowl as you go.
If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there.
Now that that's well blended, we're gonna pour that into our pan. Make sure you spread it gently around your pan so that it's well distributed. Now, since I'm baking this in a 9 by 9 pan, their recommendation is 38 to 42 minutes. We want a toothpick inserted about 2 inches from the edge to come out mostly clean. So if you are doing this in an 8 by 8 inch pan, or if you are using glass, here is your timetable of your recommended baking times. I will come back and let you know exactly how long this takes in my oven.
If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending us super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content.
All right guys, it has been 42 minutes in my oven. At the 38-minute mark, these were definitely still not done in the middle. So we're gonna do about 2 inches away from the edge, and you want it to come out mostly clean, and this is mostly clean. It's okay if it has a little bit of crumb. This will still cook for a few minutes after you take it out of the oven. Now we just need to let these cool completely before you cut and serve them. So here's our completed White Lily chocolate fudge brownies. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.